All right, we're doing a 250R ride day. Got my buddy Fluke over here, and he has his 250R quad, and I got my 250R three-wheeler. Here's my 85 250R three-wheeler. Still a work in progress. And here is Fluke's. It's an 86, right?
Yes, sir.
86 250R. Formerly a garage queen, and soon to be his rider. This thing's beautiful.
Yep, I got it.
All right, took the bikes for a short ride. Got to do a couple wheelies. It's just starting to get nice here in New Jersey, and we'll hopefully be doing a lot more riding.